All right, I'm really bad at making guides, so I guess just freeze frame in different areas of the menu that I go if you have Photoshop elements. So first of all, Control I or just going to that filter and adjustments invert will get you the same place. But for this is important. So for channels, when it looks like this, hold down Alt and it'll show you your clipping. Look away now, it's bright. I warned you. And kind of just feel it out. Just kind of get the clipping mask there and figure out, okay, what do I want? You can fine tune this later. I don't really know what I'm doing still. I'm just kind of like, I learned how to do it earlier today and I'm adapting it. And now I'm making a video about it because, I don't know, what if I forget how to do this? This is my own Photoshop elements, so it works for me. And you just go layer by layer of the color channels. And you're like, okay, that's fine. Oh, there's a lot of blue in there. And it's starting to look pretty okay. Then I go back to the RGB area here, and I'm kind of just adjusting the shadows a little bit, highlights, the mids area. And, everything's still a little bit blue. And I noticed this around now. I'm like, oh yeah, the film strip's looking a little weird. So through playing with this, I realized that I had had enough and I wanted it to be perfect. And that outside McDonald's one just clears up super nicely right here. So that's the easy way to invert negatives, but it's not necessarily the best. And that little side menu, I don't know, I just hit OK after I went to brightness contrast and it just lets you right in. Just fine tune it and well, that's basically it. It's not the best way, but that's how I'm going to do it.